Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Kotzen, and I'm Dennis, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to start a Google Cloud Platform account. So the first thing we need to do is go to cloud.google.com, and when you get into cloud.google.com, we're going to click this button that says Get Started for Free. Alright, now I think I clicked it twice, so let me back out of one. And as you could tell, it brings us into the account information page where it shows my Google, Gmail, what best describe your organization. Just fill out all the terms of agreement and go continue. Now after you go ahead and enter your phone number and verify your phone number, it'll bring you to this page. And this is step 3 where it shows payment information verification. Go ahead and fill out this. Of course, it's going to ask for a credit card number, but it's not going to charge you because it's going to give you $300 of credit for free. And of course, you could take that $300 of credit for the next 90 days and be able to do what you want, unless it's some kind of premium paid version or premium paid something that they got that you may have to pay for. I'm not for sure, but just know that you got 90 days and $300 of credit, so you could just go wild on this and spin up as many instances you want or as big as you want, as long as this covers that not $300. Of course, then click Start My Free Trial, and then we're going to click that. Now, if we spin up a free trial, it's going to bring this little tab open that's kind of giving us additional question, is asking us, and I guess if you don't want to deal with this, you can just click done. But since Google's nice enough to give me $300 worth of credit, I will kind of go through this and just gonna put learn more and what I'm interested in doing. Just name a few things. So websites, and we're just gonna go next and describe my best role. I just put other. Let's make it quick. And then we're going to click done. Of course, now it brings us into this page. And as you could tell, Google got all kinds of different things that you could do. And you click more option. As you can tell, wow, there's a lot of stuff that's in Google Cloud Platform that could keep you pretty busy for a long time to come. But what we're going to do is, on this tutorial, is just tell you how to set it up. But what I will need is, most of the time, I'm going to be dealing with cloud or compute engines. Of course, VM instances on the virtual machines and stuff like that. But Google got so much going on, it'll take a while to get used to everything they got. Of course, they also got this marketplace, as you could tell, and you could go in there, and it's kind of like DigitalOcean or Vulture, their marketplace, where you could go, and usually it's like a one-stall or one-click install. And as you can tell now, you go down through here, and there is a lot of different things you could choose from. There's even a WordPress one-click install. So we will go through this and get into a different